Hi. Free.
You look strange even outside. Like they're still vampires. You got one that really plays the part well. Josh, stop taking pictures of your genitals.
Ew. I'm taking a video.
Oh, sorry.
So don't pose.
Like, here, Tilly, how do you think about this picture? Andrew.
Oh, probably looks sweet.
Is that the sound?
It's not the right one.
Sweet later.
They're here.
Is it like the
Is that the
sound whenever you like file your nails or something?
Yeah, right.
Does it have to be log on log? No,
Log on log.
It was on a stone.